Alright, guys, still by Big Time Start. So the last story I will talk about the conditional statement if and if else. So this particular story now we'll discuss about the else if statement now. We'll see how that one the wrong pass. So based on our former scenario now, we talk about picking blast, so say me go buy something for us now. Now, if you observe this our code here, we stop at this place now. Where like say you buy the cook egg, then we'll call it, let's say, with the dash at 215 naira. You get. So while this code now, it did alright like this, it gets one small flaw for inside now, because now we assume say the egg of the price. You see, we assume say the egg of the price now 50 naira. Now they make this in the run. We assume say now 50 naira, but you know the programming, you can never tell. Based on say the data be like say the enter say your application now, so if it change based on situation or anything like that now, we need to find a way now to handle this thing correctly. Just imagine now, say okay, as you send the picking, the picking go buy something. You know, say most of all this store now, they get one, all these women already said, they get one picker, like it's smart well. So maybe you can go tell the picking now, so okay, make it buy cook egg. So there's that smart picking web like this at the store now. He wants to get your own smoke version now. He can go tell the picking say cook egg .deal, cook egg na 500 now, they sell a full 500. So just imagine now, it's na 500 there. If I refresh now, you see what they happen. You see they show buy cook egg, then I dash you minus 200 naira. You see I'm saying it all work way. You get. What do we do for here? What do we do? We fit come this place now. If we say else, they will come down. We can put if to take check. You see, this is if take check now. If this change, you see now. So check if this change now, it is greater than or equals to the cook egg price. You see now. If you do one like this, and mark about this one, you see I'm saying no work. So if you come here now, I'll explain no. I'll just do this in sharp. If you see put another if else for inside this else block again now, so I'll just come here, I'll just write change nourish or change not remain. More just say change nourish or refresh. You see change not remain. So if you see come inside this else now, we'll call it compare again. You get. But if you don't like this now, you know to make brain. What do we do? We use the else if statement. And the way that one they work here, now say B. Say as it B. In fact, I might just mark guys come outside because I'll go copy for my game man for type. So after we create this about if, instead of to put the else direct, we'll come here, we'll say else if the same, we'll call open another parenthesis now. They open another block. The inside here now we'll go test. So they say this if now we test for FS. They will call say else if, we call it test again if this one is true. So we'll first check now. If now this one is true, now this one will go print. But if this one not true now, we'll call it test for another comparison or another comparison. We'll call test for another comparison to see if that comparison is true. If that one not true, we'll physically come again. We'll physically test for another one again. Else if. You see? So if we get a plenty like that, we figure all of the plenty like that. But now only one I want to based on this our scenario. So that I'll just do. I'll come in and I'll say else if this change now it is greater than or equals to the cook egg price. What do we want to do? We go call buy. So I copy the code, I put it here. You see? So if the change now they greater than or they greater than or equals to the cook egg price, then we'll buy cook egg. So most of that go work. So I'll refresh now. You see, I see it show buy cook egg. What would you do so? Okay. Now this one they run for you. Okay. See ya. Copies out of the format just now. So else if change is equals to greater than or equals to the cook egg price, we come here, we buy the cook egg. So originally the thing come out to the 50, what will now to be, it go run. But if say maybe they can increase the money, cook egg now 500, they sell now. See and say no go run. So we will figure out after this else if now, we figure so okay, else. More print change not remain. Or change not rich. Change not rich. So we'll go to the border back, say change not rich. So now you know you want to shop into me. You see how? Change not rich. So what we do with this if this else if sorry now, we come in after we do is if they test first. If this one they equals to true, it go run this one, it go lock up all this other one so yeah. But if you go say okay, this one they equals to false now, it go come here now, it go check for the next comparison now, which is this else if. If you say this it equals to true, this comparison they equals to true, it go run with it inside this block, then it go lock up every other thing. But if you look and say okay, this one still equals to false, it go just come down, go run with it inside the else, and now say just be for the else if statements. So you not pass like that. If you don't understand that clearly, or you don't know how the thing they work, or you get any question where you go like ask me, just write after the comment section and I promise to answer your question back. So you know how to be now. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and still tell other people everything they happen. I may only have a big time for double start soon after the next video. Thank you.